Emma was a skilled potter who loved creating beautiful clay pots. She ran a small shop in her town, and her work was admired by many. But one year, everything fell apart. A fire broke out in her workshop, destroying her tools, clay, and finished pieces. With no savings left, Emma had to close her shop. For weeks, Emma felt lost. She wondered if she should give up pottery forever. But one day, as she walked through the market, she saw a child holding a small, broken pot. "Can you fix this?" the child asked, recognizing her. Emma hesitated but decided to help. Using some leftover clay she had at home, she repaired the pot. When she returned it to the child, they smiled brightly and said, "You're amazing." That small moment reignited Emma's passion. She began working from her kitchen table, slowly rebuilding her craft with the little she had. Over time, neighbors and friends began supporting her, buying her pieces and spreading the word. Within a year, Emma reopened her shop, stronger and more determined than ever. She realized that failure wasn't the end, it was a chance to start again, better and wiser. And from that day on, Emma's pots weren't just beautiful, they were symbols of resilience and hope.